When I was about 12, I had an odd fear of emergency broadcast systems. I never really got the point of them, but one night it was about to get worse. Around 1 a.m., I saw an alert for a storm coming at around 2. I was home alone. Nobody else was around, and all the lights were out except for the light of the TV. I felt very uncomfortable. I heard the announcer's voice say, "If you are outside,
find shelter fast."
And after that, the silent alert just stayed on the TV for an awkward 30 seconds. But then it started glitching up. The screen started showing pixels scrambled all over the television. And then I saw some disturbing images and videos. The alert had interrupted a show that had just started, so I assumed it was just the signals mixing. What I heard were a bunch of scattered beeps, static, rings, all sorts of sounds mixed together. I saw anonymous faces of many expressions. One was happy, one was sad, one was shocked, one was terrified, and another was angry. As this was happening, the lights in my house went insane. They kept turning on and off, and I even recall one of the lights blowing a fuse. Then the screen went black and restarted the warning. But nothing wrong happened this time. It ended normally with 2 long beeps and 3 short beeps. 20 minutes later, it issued another warning. But at the end it said something out of the blue. "If you are outside, get to a shelter fast and get down to the lowest part of the building. But there is no hope for you. You're next." Then, after 3 short beeps, the power went out. I got up off the couch and ran to the basement. When I got to the stairs, I saw 2 gleaming eyes at the bottom, glaring at me. I froze in fear as I felt something cold touch my shoulder.